How to remove or uninstall Orbot application on your Android device. Are you guys facing issues to delete Orbot app on your Android device? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off or delete application on your Android device, just simply tap or hold Orbot app for 3 seconds. After select it, you can see this option for app info, desktop shortcut, and uninstall. You are looking to uninstall the application, right? Just simply tap on uninstall and click on OK. If you want to do it and manually, then just simply head over to settings. After you click on settings, you can see this apps over here. Tap on apps. After you click on apps, scroll down and click on Orbot. After you click on Orbot, you can see this option for uninstall and force stop. Just simply tap on uninstall and click on OK. After you click on OK, Orbot app will be deleted from your Android device. And as you guys can see, the Orbot application has been uninstalled. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.